Good morning. Today we will be discussing the worksheet which I have posted in the previous session. Although I have already given you the answers, now those answers are not in the simplified form. That is, when you arrive at the resultant rational number, the answers which I have provided you, they are not in the simplest form. Now today what I will try to do is I will pick out few problems where the answers can be much more simplified, and I will be discussing how to do such kind of cases. Okay, look into the first one. 8 by 9 into minus 3 by 2. Now what you might have done is, as per the discussions that we have done in the previous class, we multiply numerators with numerators, denominators with denominators, and we have written the resultants. Now we did not simplify that, that is, we have not written in the simplest forms. Now today what we do is we try to write that in simplest forms. So in order to arrive at the simplest form, wherever cancellations are possible, do the cancellations here itself, then the resultants will be in its simplest form. That is, when you are doing a cancellation, divide numerator with denominator or denominator with numerator. So cancellation should be amongst these two. That is, between numerator and denominator, but not between numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. That is, see here 8, it goes in 2 tables, so cancel it 2 ones, 2 2s, 3 ones, 3 3s. So whatever the division which I am doing here, I am going with numerator and denominator, but not with numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. So now this is all the possible case that we can arrive at. So multiply 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 1 is 3, plus into minus, multiplying numbers of different signs, you will get a negative sign. So the simplest form or the resultant of resultant rational number is minus 2 by 3. Now next one, minus 6 by 5 into minus 1 by 12. Again here the cancellation is possible. 6 and 12, they go in the same table. 6 1s are 6 2s are. So 1 into 1 is 1, 5 2s are 10. We are multiplying numbers of same sign. Minus into minus, it gives you plus. So the answer is 1 by 10. Look into the next case, that is 5 by minus 5 by 7. Now this you can write it as 5 into 7 by minus 5. You can take the denominator of 5 as 1. Now 5 answer, 5 answer. 1 into 7 is 7. 1 into 1 is 1. You need not write it. Or if you want, you can write that. Plus minus. Numbers of different signs. You will arrive at a negative sign. Next. Minus 3 by 4 by 9 by minus 16. Now this you can write it as minus 3 by 4 into the reciprocal of the denominator, that is minus 16 by 9. Again cancellation is possible. 4 1s are 4 4s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. Now 1 into 4 is 4, 1 into 3 is 3. They are multiplying numbers of same signs, so you will get a positive number. So the resultant is 4 by 3. Now in fact you have already done all this. My aim of discussing this kind of problems is to let you know how to cancel whenever you are given these kind of numbers and whenever cancellations are possible to be done. Now the next one, minus 7 by 8 by minus 21 by 16. Similar case, minus 7 by 8 into 16 by minus 21. Now 7 1s are 7 3s are 8 1s are 8 2s are. 1 into 2 gives you 2, 1 into 3 gives you 3. We have numbers of same signs, so we will get a positive sign. So that is what I have written, plus 2 by 3. Next, 7 by minus 4 by 63 by 64. Now take the reciprocal of the denominator into 64 by 63. 7 1s are 7 9s are 63. 4 1s are 4, 16s are 16 4s are 64. 1 into 16 is 16. 1 into 9 is 9. Numbers of different signs, so we will get a negative number. So the answer is minus 16 by 9. Now 0 by minus 7 by 5. Now some of you have done like 0 into 5 by minus 7, and you have left it over like that. See, the simple reason here is 0 divided by any number is 0. So you need not do anything. You can straight away write 0. 0 by any number is 0. So You can straight away write the answer as 0. Next. Minus 3 by 4 by minus 6. Minus 6 you can write it as 6 by 1. So this is minus 3 by 4 into reciprocal of minus 6 by 1 is 1 by minus 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are 1 into 1 is 1. 4 2s are 8. This is a negative number. This is a negative number. So numbers of same signs you are multiplying. Therefore you will arrive at a positive number, which is 1 by 8. Next. 2 by 3 by minus 7 by 12. So again this is 2 by 3 into 12 by minus 7. So here 12 and 3 goes in a single table. 3 1s are 3 4s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. 1 7s are 7. This is a positive number, this is a negative number, different signs, so we will arrive at a negative number. So minus 8 by 7. Next. Four by 9 divided by minus 5 by 12. Now this you can write it as 4 by 9. Convert this division into multiplication and take the reciprocal of this. 12 by minus 5. Now 9 and 12 will go in the same table. 3 table. 3 3s are 3 4s are. Now multiply. 4 into 4 is 16. 3 into minus 5 or 3 into 5 is 15. This is a positive number, negative number. Numbers of different signs you will arrive at a negative number. So this is minus 16 by 15. Next. Minus 12 by 7 divided by minus 18. So minus 12 by 7 division, convert that into multiplication. This minus 18 you can write it as minus 18 by 1. So take the reciprocal. So 1 by minus 18. These two go in the same table, that is 6 table. 6 3s are 6 2s are 2 1s are 2. 7 3s are 21. You are multiplying numbers of same sign, so you will get a positive number, which is 2 by 21. Next. Minus 1 by 10 divided by minus 8 by 5. Now this is similar again, minus 1 by 10. Convert the division into multiplication and take the reciprocal of this. 5 by minus 8. So 5 1s are 5 2s are. 1 into 1 is 1. 8 2s are 16. Numbers of same signs, you will get a positive sign. So which is 1 by 16. Next. Minus 16 by 35 divided by minus 15 by 14. Repeat the same process again. Convert that division into multiplication and take the reciprocal of this, which is 14 by minus 15. So then this is 7 2s are 7 5s are. So 16 2s are 32. 5 15s are 15 5s are 75. And numbers of same signs, so you will get a positive number, 32 by 75. Next, last one. Minus 65 by 14 divided by 13 by 7. Again convert this division into multiplication. Minus 16 by 14 into 7 by 13. So this is 7 1 times, 7 2 times, 13 1s are 13 5s are. So this is 5 1s are 5 and 2 1s are 2. Negative, positive, different signs, so you will get a negative number. So this is the way to go about cancellations wherever it is possible. While you are doing cancellations, cancellation should be done between numerator and denominator, just like the way we have done all these problems. For suppose you have questions of this kind. Suppose say 2 by 3 into some 4 by 9. Now you cannot cancel between numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. That is 2 1s are 2 2s are. This is wrong. So the cancellation, or you cannot do 3 1s are 3 3s are. That is also wrong. So cancellation should not be done between numerator numerator, denominator denominator. It should be done between numerator and denominator. Either the numerator parts should be cancelled with denominator, or denominator to be cancelled with numerator. So the cancellation process should go between numerator and denominator. So that is it all.